Hello. Take two. I just dropped the camera. So I'm James. Hello. I'm a part-time photographer. So that proves it. And I just got a very exciting parcel in the post. So before I was using an Amazon Basics tripod. It was rubbish, but it kind of did the job. It was flimsy, not very good. I mean, it was like $35 or something, whatever. It's fine. So now I'm upgrading to a Geekoto tripod, which are only recently available in Canada, based in China, ordered through Amazon, and I'm very excited because I'm going to cut myself live on TV. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so, ooh, it's heavy. Geekoto the right way up. Box. Okay, I'm excited. It weighs actually 5 kilos, maybe 5 pounds. I'm not sure. It's one of the weights I lift. Huge. Okay, so in a handy carrier zip bag. Okay, it's got a bunch of. What's this? This is a handle with a screw, and this it feels actually really nice and solid. It's $199 on Amazon in Canada. I don't know if it's available in the US, but if it is, I would imagine that would make it 160, 150. Okay. What's that? An Allen key. I'm gonna have to do some things. Ooh, comes with a velvet thing like a bottle of Crown Royal. Fancy. Wow. Okay, that's really nice. Wow, I wasn't expecting that at all. So these are the grips. So to readjust, I pick it up and then bring it all the way back down. This is really nice. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? This is the head. Oh, I see. Silly me. Goes like that. Locks into place. That's really sturdy. Nice twist. Twist and lock. That's really strong. Nice metal, red, like everything's metal. All the notches, all the adjusters. See how that goes in. Opens that. Excellent. So this is the crucial part. This is the part. Sorry. This is the crucial part that always fails for me on tripods and light stands and everything else because there's just never enough grip. So, test. Am I doing the right one? Yeah. So, oh, that's up and down. And this can go. I'll have to check what it says on the box. I'll put the info down below, but I think it goes actually quite high. I'll test it in a minute. So, oh, it's that one. Maybe. No, is it? I wonder if it was that one. I wonder how low I can go with it. Who was that one? Just doing all the knobs now. It makes sense it would be that one. Yeah, actually there can't be anything. Don't know. You know what? I've got some playing to do with this. So I'm going to do some test photo shoots with this as well. I'll take it out. So, okay. Excuse me. So this is the ball and socket joint. So let's see. I'm going to tighten this up. Nice, nice grippy handle. I don't know if that's going to focus. There it is. So let's see. Oh. Okay. So pretty good. What kind of top does it have? Has a nice spirit level on the top there. This comes off and you just put it on the bottom of your camera. So let's see how tall this is. I'm 5'8", 5'9" if you're asking. So let's see. Okay. And that's another huge problem with tripods. My other tripods is that like they end up being like this high and it's a bit pathetic. Which one didn't I do up? That one? Oh. Wow, okay. So this isn't all the way up. That's all the way up. So as you can see, that will. Oh wow. Okay, so that is about 6 feet. That'll go up. So this is the Geekoto X25 Defender, about $200 Canadian on Amazon, available on Prime. So I ordered this last night. That's excellent. That's really genuinely good. And this is, what is this? Interesting. Let's have a look at the instructions, which is something I should have done to start with, but of course, wow, I'm not going to do that. Okay. Oh, I see. So this will go horizontal, and this must be part of the handle. I'm going to play with this. So keep an eye on my Instagram at JamesRCS, or my photography channel, smithphotography.ca. That's the website and also the Instagram URL handle, and also Twitter, JamesRCS. And I will put all the photos. I'll do more reviews going forward, and I'm genuinely impressed. $200, really solid, made of metal. It's not so heavy that you couldn't pick it up, and it goes real small. Like, let's not forget, like, this flicks down, and this is the height of it, like 1.5 feet. Brilliant, super impressed. Okay, that was a quick one. Thanks very much. Any questions, do it in the things. Bye.